Repulse the Monkey. Pushing hand right. From ear level, slowly press the right palm straight forward along the body's center line. Retracting hand left. Simultaneously, turn the left palm face up and draw it back to the left hip. The hands move in harmonious opposition, like turning a continuous wheel. Waist rotation. Use the subtle turning of the lower back to guide the motion of the hands. Keep the spine upright and the shoulders sunk. Chun, Jian. Gaze. Look past the pushing hand, extending your mindful intent forward. Harmonize movement. The hands and feet must finish their movement simultaneously to ensure a continuous, unbroken flow.